Hi, this is Melissa and Kim from the Carmel Foundation for our weekly fun of recording a video and trying not to laugh while we're doing it. Melissa, there's again a week full of wonderful things.
You bet.
share
Got it.
the
We'll try to
highlights?
get through the giggles here. So our tour program, I need you all to just pay attention. Last chance to sign up for a great trip up to San Francisco to the Legion of Honor to see the Etruscans exhibit. This is showcasing ancient treasures from Italy. It's $115 for members and guests. Got to sign up by Monday.
And it's amazing. These treasures are almost 3,000 years old.
Right.
Can you imagine that?
No, I
Nope.
can't.
No.
Please
So-
sign up. Take advantage of that.
And then please come and meet and celebrate Linda Garofalo. And Linda, I apologize for always mispronouncing your last name. Our Artist of the Month. Everyone that has seen her fiber work is so impressed. So please come meet her, celebrate her, ask her questions about just her creative process because she's very, very special. The work is extremely special.
And actually, her quilts they're flying off the wall, so to speak.
She's selling them.
We've had more sales from her, from this artist reception than any that I can think of. So come and check it out.
Yeah.
On Monday, Paperscapes is a new paper crafting class with Vanya Fusco, who's very talented. That's $25 on Monday. Check it out on our website.
Yeah, and you have to sign up ahead of time.
That's correct.
And on Monday, I'll be resuming AI classes. This is what we call our advanced class, although it is not advanced. You can come no matter where you are in using AI, if you're using AI. This is a really fun class because it's not me sharing, it's the group sharing what they're doing with AI.
Right.
So that's Monday at 2:30 in Dement Hall.
And then on Tuesday, this would be the third time for our folks that are veterans. Any branch can come, and we encourage you to come and swap stories, connect with each other. There is no theme other than grab a cup of coffee on the foundation, meet with each other, and just connect.
Yeah. And then our movie, Masterworks for British Cinema, A Fish Called Wanda, curated by Andrew Schoenberg, is Tuesday, June 16th at 1 p.m. in the Rec Room. It's a really funny movie. You'll enjoy it if you haven't seen it again. Or actually, you'll probably forget that you saw it in 1988.
I actually remember that.
You do?
Oh, yeah.
It was a good
hilarious.
movie.
It's a good
Yeah.
one. And then our hiking group actually is starting this week, but for all the Thursdays in June and hopefully into perpetuity, meet with Bajan at Paulo Corona Park. We're going to stick with Paulo Corona Park. It's about a 5-mile hike. Making new friends. This is what I think
really
we're all
fun.
about here.
And remember, it is Paulo Corona is a steep hike, so you need to be able to hike. It's about 5 miles. You'll meet at 10 a.m. in the parking lot.
Correct.
And then what I really enjoy is wool felting. If you haven't tried it, we've got a great chance for you on Saturday, June 20th from 11:30 to 3. It is $45. That includes all your supplies and snacks and instruction. So you do need to register in advance for that.
And Carlene's delightful. So if that sounds interesting to you, please sign up. So shall we talk about the
Yes,
menu for
please
next
do.
week? Flat iron steak salad is our salad of the week. Monday, we've got beef stew. Tuesday's chicken piccata. Thursday's Mongolian beef. And then on Friday, we'll end the week with artichoke stuffed shrimp sole.
Pretty impressive.
Pretty impressive.
We look forward to seeing you next week.